up and whatnot. It's topped with foam exercise pad, and then on top of that was just a simple throw rug that was about $45. Tuck it in underneath, and that rises to the floor. So that gave me a level, stable area to work on. From there, I built a wood frame bed on top of it, and then bought a slack kit for about $40 for a bed frame, and put the slack kit on top of the wood frame. This is 1-inch square premium wood from Home Depot. Exercise mat there on top of it, just so if I put my knee in the mattress, I'm not going to bottom out. So on top of that, I've got a 4-inch
Let's go to basement
mattress,
later.
and that's a medium high density foam. It's very firm, surprising. I weigh 250 pounds, so I went to something a little bit denser, but as it turns out, it's rather firm. You could actually do something similar, go with a medium density foam rather than medium high. And I always carry 2 sleeping bags with me. In the summertime, I don't need one, but I generally use a bag liner. So I've got a 3 Seasons bag, and then when it's cold, I was up in Prescott the other night, and it was down, I don't know, 20